Do you know paradigms control your life? They are the reason you achieve greatness or you don't in anything you want. Now, to understand paradigm and how to shift it, you have to understand three things: the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and law of attraction. And I'll explain it to you in this video. Hi, my name is Nitin Bhatia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I post fitness and life motivational videos here. I do have an Instagram page as well. You can go and check it out. So, today I'm really excited because I'm bringing a topic that can actually transform your life if done right and if you really understand it. Now, law of attraction, let me give you a gist of it. Law of attraction is basically like attracts like. Now, if you think positive thoughts, you'll attract positive thoughts throughout the day and vice versa. Thoughts become things. Any thought you continuously think and emotionalize with will start becoming your reality. And the reality is formed through your subconscious mind. So let me explain it to you with the help of this cup. Now, when you're born, your conscious mind is open. There is no conscious mind. Don't start really imagining your mind being open, because that's really creepy. Conscious mind is open and your subconscious mind has the depth. 90% of your thinking is done through your subconscious mind. Now, your conscious mind is the analytical mind that can reject thoughts and beliefs. Your subconscious mind can't reject that. It's the emotional mind. So, whatever you feed in this subconscious mind will start becoming a reality. Now, understand this thing. You are not really thinking till 4 5 years old. So, your subconscious mind is completely open. So, any thought, belief that your family, your relatives, people who you were surrounded with had is here. So let's say you are born in a family who knows three languages. Now you'll be able to speak three languages. Amazing, right? You were born to believe that you can't do business, or you were born to believe that you were poor, or you were born to believe that you should hate other people. You'll start doing that. Now, when your conscious mind is developed, you have the power to reject thoughts, right? So this is your conscious mind. Now, anything that needs to get into the subconscious mind has to go through your conscious mind, right? Now you can reject it. But what about the thoughts that are already here? What about the beliefs that are already here? You need to change that. First, let me tell you that you can achieve anything in life. And I'm not just saying that. There are numerous examples. You can go and read self-help books, see YouTube videos. People have earned so much money through YouTube and Instagram as well, and people are doing wonderful things. But there's only one rule of achieving all of that. When this part of your mind knows what you want, you will have what you want. So, two ways you can actually do it. One is self-talk. Start talking to yourself. Start confronting your ideologies, beliefs. Why do you hate those people? Why can't you do business? Go and read books, see YouTube videos, talk to people who are, not friends with your families or relatives. Go talk to them. See people who have become really big from nothing. How did they do it? And they'll just tell you one thing. Start confronting, start talking to yourself about your beliefs. Why do I think the way I think? And you'll start changing it. Second is auto-suggestion. Now, auto-suggestion is suggesting to your subconscious mind again and again what you want. So if you want to be wealth conscious, if you want to be really big, you keep on suggesting it through books, through positive affirmations, through positive talks, to surrounding yourself with people who look more like your future than your past, and you make your subconscious mind realize that you want to be big, and then you start becoming big. Understand one thing: anything you want to achieve in life has to go through your subconscious mind. If your subconscious mind believes it, it will become a reality. If your conscious mind believes it and your subconscious mind doesn't, then you won't be able to achieve. Understand this thing, and this is how you change paradigm shift. This is how you make a change in paradigm, and only when you can change your paradigm, you'll be able to change your reality. So challenge your thoughts and beliefs. Whenever you have any thought or qualms about anything, ask yourself, why do I do it? Research on it and just think your own thoughts and believe. You believe you want to be really big, you can be really big, because it's in you that you can be. Stop listening to society that you can't be. They're all conditioned. If society was right, 97% of the people would not have been craving for what 3% people have. The numbers would have been reversed. The numbers would have been different. So listening to yourself And I hope you like this video. Please share this. This is a very important concept to understand. Like and share, and you can follow my Instagram page as well, and I'll keep bringing amazing content. Thank you.